Following Chandigarh Education Department order against school fee hike, parents demand money back. NCERT to revise curriculum framework for school education after 15 years, to be ready by March 2021. COVID-19 pandemic lockdown in India has impacted education of over 247 million children. 8.5 lakh SSLC students to take exams in Karnataka from today. HRD Minister asks UGC to revise guidelines on exams academic calendar. COVID-19 impact. Several preschools shut down, leave teachers jobless in Mumbai. Can't permit ICSE board to hold exams in Maharashtra. State government to Mumbai High Court. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Chanvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: parents of private school students across the city are demanding adjustment of 8% hiked fee amount for 3 months, which they had already paid before the Education Department barred schools from increasing the fee. The new NCF for school education has been initiated. NCERT will be expected to make changes in the textbooks in accordance with the new NCF. Subject experts will initiate the process for school education and give interim report by December 2020. A report prepared by UNICEF has revealed that COVID-19 pandemic in India and lockdown has impacted 247 million children enrolled in elementary and secondary education. Besides 28 million children who were undergoing preschool education in Anganwadi centers. The government's move had been questioned given the fear currently surrounding the COVID-19 pandemic, but Education Department officials in the state say adequate precautions have been taken to ensure safety and security of both the students and staff conducting exams. Union Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Wednesday asked the University Grants Commission to revise the guidelines issued earlier for the intermediate and terminal semester examinations and academic calendar. He said that the revised guidelines should keep in mind the health and safety of teachers and students and staff. The HID Minister advice comes in the midst of growing number of coronavirus cases in the country. In an earlier letter to school, Education Minister Varsha Gigwad Early Childhood Association started that over 9,000 preschools in Maharashtra will be affected by the ban on online classes for pre-primary till class 2. In the past few weeks, the impact of COVID-19 pandemic has forced a number of preschools in the city to shut shop, bringing with it another casualty: teachers without jobs. This comes after the High Court had sought to know if it was adopting a wait-and-watch policy and asked the state government to clear its position on holding physical examination for the pending subjects. The state government Wednesday told the Mumbai High Court a state disaster management committee meeting held on June 22. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.thenn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Janavi.